below it would be the inferior, everything down here would be the inferior vena cava, and that also leads into your right atrium. This actually right here is your azygos, azygos vein, but again, you don't need to know that. And these, oh, that's for arteries, never mind. So following all down here, clear some of this out so you can see some of it. Here's your inferior vena cava, leading the whole way down here, inferior vena cava. So this first divergence, which is your adrenal lumbars. Second one is your going into your kidneys. What would that be?
Renal.
Yep. Renal vein. Oh, I didn't mention this, but I'm sure y'all know it. Blue are veins, red are arteries. So the blue one here is your renal vein, and just like there's a renal vein, there's a renal artery. We'll come back to that, but I figure I'll just point it out now. So 8 adrenal lumbars, renal vein. Going down further, you get to your, oh yeah, there's nothing there. So then you get to the split where, the part where it splits right here, and it stops being your inferior vena cava, and it goes to your iliacs. You have your left iliac right here, and your right iliac over here. I'm sorry, I forgot to say common. Left common iliac and right common iliac. Now we'll just be dealing with the left side because you obviously can't see the right side over here. So left common iliac, and that leads down here and branches off right here. Can you see that branch, guys? That's your internal iliac, okay? And if you're looking on this paper, so you come down here from the inferior vena cava, goes to your left common iliac, stops being your left common iliac right at this internal, where this internal iliac branches. And after it stops being your left common iliac, it goes to your left external iliac right here. And from left external iliac to left femoral. All right.
Is there a point where like it's defined or no?
For the femoral? I believe it's, don't quote me on this, but I believe it's after this branch right here. But don't worry, if I was gonna pin it on a test, it would be like something where you could be like, that has to be the femoral, or that has to be the, or it would be like right after the internal iliac, so you know it has to be the external, it can't be the femoral. But those are the veins, guys. Any questions before we start the arteries?